Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Chhateshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 7th, and our subject is value education. Okay, so in this subject, we have learned love is life, and then we learn let us be friend and meanings, managing feelings, look ahead, whose responsibility is it, wait, don't point your finger, and it's not funny. Means we learn so many things in this subject. Okay, so we have to how we behave, हमारा बिहेव कैसे होना चाहिए किसके साथ में. सो हम इस सब्जेक्ट में हम ये सीखते हैं कि हमें किस टाइप से बिहेव करना चाहिए. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट, वी हैव बिहेव डेट टाइप, जो जैसा बिहेव हमें अपने लिए पसंद है, हमें लगता है कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स ने हमारे साथ कैसा बिहेव करना चाहिए, सो हमें भी उनके साथ वैसा ही बिहेव करना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड. जिस चीज़ से हमें हर्ट होता है वैसा बिहेव हमें दूसरों के साथ भी नहीं करना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ वी हैव लर्न आवर न्यू टॉपिक, that is drum beats. When did folk theatre and dance first began in India? No one knows for sure, because we only know that some of these art from are thousands of year old. ये आर्ट्स जो हैं वो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर ओल्ड हैं, एंड they contain the essence of our history, our culture and our civilization. Okay, by preserving them, studying them and understanding them, we are preserving our roots and echoing the voice of our forefathers. Okay, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हम उसे प्रिवेंशन करना है. मीन्स हमें वो चीज़ हम जो न्यू जनरेशन है वो भूल ना जाए, उसके लिए हमें उसे स्टडी करके हमें उसे समझना चाहिए, उसे पढ़ना चाहिए, ताकि हम उसको प्रिजर्व करके रख सकें. उसकी जो रूट्स हैं उसे भी हम अपने तक, अपनी जो कल्चर है उसमें हम रख सकें. ओके, इकोइंग द वॉइस ऑफ द आवर फोर फादर. दीज आर्ट फ्रॉम कंबाइंड literature, mime, music and dance, they also echo the ritual of the specific region from which they arose, and the lifestyle and beliefs of the people who have lived there for centuries. Okay, understand. So they are based on traditional tales, epics, and myths, strongly emphasizing the triumph of good over evil and the power of and grasp of the divine. Okay, जैसे एक डांस है हमारा कुटियत्तम और कुडियत्तम is a form of Sanskrit theatre, one of the earliest traditional theatre from in India. It continues to be performed in the state of Kerala, India. It is officially recognized by UNESCO as masterpiece of the oral and intelligible heritage of humanity. Okay, so this dance is very, हमारा जो संस्कृति है उसका बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. ओके, नाउ सी द फोक डांस एंड थिएटर ऑफ इंडिया आर मोस्टली प्रेजेंटेड आर एज narrative or stories, each from call for the dancers to the athletics and skilled in dancing and even in playing musical instruments. Okay, Pum Kolam is a folk dance of Manipur. It calls for athletics ability from the male dancer. He also has to be an expert at playing the pong, a form of drum. Manipuri's folk dance mainly pay tributes to Lord Krishna. Okay, understand. In some folk dance, the character wear elaborated facial makeup. कुछ डांस में अलग सा जो फेशियल मेकअप होता है. ओके, जैसे Thayyam, a 2000-year-old traditional ritual dance style from Kerala. It is performed as a tribute to gods, goddess, great heroes of the past, and to the spirit of ancestors. It involves year of training, elaborate, elaborated customs, and extremely heavy head dresses and face painting using red eyes. उनके पास में जो उनकी जो ड्रेस होती है वो इतनी हेवी होती है, सी हियर उनका फेस का मेकअप इतना हेवी होता है, उनकी ड्रेसेस इतनी हेवी होती है। उन जो आप मेकअप देख रहे हैं ये डेट इज़ कॉल्ड थय्यम। थय्यम में इस टाइप से मेकअप किया जाता है। ओके, एंड इन सम फोक डांस द डांसर वियर फेस मास्क, और कुछ डांसेस में जो डांसर्स हैं वो फेस मास्क पहन करके डांस करते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड। Ladakh has some spectacular folk dance style. Lamas monks dressed in colorful robes and wearing masks dance to depict the triumph of good over evil and to tell the story of great lamas on ancient time. वो जो हमारे जो एंशियंट टाइम में जो लामास थे उनकी स्टोरीज को डांस के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड। एंड वन मोर टाइप ऑफ डांस दैट इज भांगड़ा। People get together to celebrate the gift of nature and give thanks of plentiful harvest and community dancing. Okay, Bhangra is an energetic and lively folk dance that originated in Punjab. Okay, it is celebrated on a plentiful harvest. Both men and women participate and the male dancer make high lips. Okay, then Garba, you all are know Garba is the main dance of Gujarat. Okay, originated in Gujarat. It is performed with ring of dancers moving in circle. It is said to celebrate the life cycle from birth to death. Often an earthen lamp is placed at the center of the circle to donate entirely or the divine. Okay, let us continue to echo the drum beats from our past. Some आप लोग इस टाइप से और भी अलग अलग स्टेट्स के जो स्पेशलिटी है डांसेस हैं आप लोगों से सर्च करके उसके बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ सी हियर, Jansi was a shy, quiet girl. One day in school, a couple of her classmates decided to play a joke on her. On a large piece of paper, they wrote "Kick my leg" out of the playground while pretending to dust away some leaf from the back of Jansi's shirt. ठीक है, they stuck the paper on her back with sellotape. Soon many children were heartily laughing behind Jansi's back. Some even come up and kicked Jansi's leg. The poor girl was terrified and confused. She tried to ask them what was happening, but they only laughed harder and kicked some more. Jansi turned and ran. As she ran, the paper came loose from her back and fell to the ground. She picked it up and realized what had happened. She turned and went back to where the other children were still standing and laughing. She spoke quietly. She asked, "Are you proud of yourself? Would you like it if someone did this to you?" The laughter stopped. With hanging hand and red faces, the jokers slunk away. Were the jokers weak children or only thoughtless? Should Jansi report the incident to the teacher or the principal? डू यू थिंक द चिल्ड्रन वुड हैव लर्न देयर लेसन? क्या बच्चों ने उससे कोई लेसन लिया? वॉट वुड यू डू इफ़ यू सॉ दिस हैपनिंग इन योर स्कूल प्ले ग्राउंड? थिंक बिफोर यू जोक. द जोक कैन टर्न इन टू tragedy. Laughter can turn into tear. A friendship could be lost forever. आप किसी के साथ भी कोई भी जोक करने से पहले ये सोचिए कि वो जोक कहीं ट्रेजेडी में टर्न नहीं हो जाए और आपका जो फ्रेंड है वो आपसे हमेशा के लिए दूर ना हो जाए. ये सोच करके ही आपको कोई भी जोक करना चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो let's do something. Here, want a harmless practical joke? Go for this one. It's easy to prepare. It is safe and the person you are playing the joke on will also love it. See, turn me over. You just took order from a rock. ओके, आप इस टाइप से कुछ जोक कर सकते हैं. ओके, हियर अ जोक यू कैन सेंड अराउंड. एवरीवन कैन हैव अ heartily laugh and no one will be often. If olive oil comes from olives, where does baby oil comes from? ओके, सो आप इस टाइप के जोक्स अगर बोलेंगे तो इस टाइप के जोक्स किसी को हर्ट भी नहीं करेंगे और सब जो माहौल है वो अच्छा बन जाएगा. ओके ओके, थिंक ऑफ सेफ जोक यू कैन प्ले ऑन दीज पीपल विदाउट हर्टिंग देम, स्केरिंग देम और एम्ब्रेसिंग देम. योर पेरेंट, योर क्लासमेट, योर ग्रैंडपा और ग्रैंडमा. ओके, आप ये चीज़ें सोच करके ही किसी के साथ जोक करेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ प्रॉब्लम और नो प्रॉब्लम. सो you are walking somewhere in a hurry, you find a tree laying across the road. So what can you do? What are the useful questions you could ask yourself? Can I climb over it? Can I go around it? How long will it take for someone to come and remove it? Is there another road? So आप इनमें से कौन सा क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछेंगे? क्या आप इस पर चढ़ना चाहेंगे? कैन आई गो अराउंड इट? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक फॉर समवन टू कम एंड रिमूव इट? एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चन दैट विल नॉट हेल्प यू? व्हाई डिड इट द ट्री फॉल? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्री इज इट? एंड व्हाई डू आई हैव सच बैड लक? आप इस टाइप से सोचेंगे. व्हेन फेस्ड with a problem, some people panic and don't think straight. They waste time and energy asking the wrong question. Only the right question can lead to a solution. Problem solving is a very important life skill. We will need it when we try to help others and also when we work in a team. Okay, so first understand the problem, that is what your teacher asks you to do in maths class, isn't it? In our example, what is the problem? The problem is that the road is blocked by the fallen tree. the problem क्या था कि रोड ब्लॉक हो गया. अगर ये क्वेश्चंस आप पूछ रहे हैं अपने आप से तो दैट इज अ रॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड देन नेक्स्ट रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ ऑफ द गोल. आपको अपना गोल याद होना चाहिए. क्या गोल है? आपको अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचना है. योर गोल इज दैट यू वांट टू रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन. ओके, एंड देन in your mind make a list of possible method to achieve that goal. See the set of useful question above. Understand? So आपको क्या सोचना चाहिए? आप उस गोल तक कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं? Evaluate them. Which method may not be possible? Which may be too dangerous? Which may take too long? कौन सी मेथड पॉसिबल नहीं है, कौन सी डेंजरस है और कौन सी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम टेकिंग है. पिक द बेस्ट मेथड एंड फॉलो थ्रू with it and don't waste precious time asking questions which have nothing to do with the problem or the goal. Let's see how a good problem solver reason time think out. One evening before a big test, Pratibha could not find her book in her bag. Did she panic? क्या उसे पैनिक होना चाहिए? No, she thought, think through calmly by drawing a reasoning tree in her mind. I lost my book and I have an exam tomorrow. I can scratch for it. सो अगर मैं स्केच करती हूँ तो आई डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर दिस. आई कैन बोरो माई फ्रेंड्स बुक. माई फ्रेंड वुड वॉन्ट टू स्टडी टू. I can buy another copy. I need to go to the right shop, and if they don't have a copy, and then last I can Xerox the pages needed for my exam and then study. Yes, this is the best option in the short term. Okay, Pratibha realized that the urgent problem was not, means what happened to the book. It was how can, वो important नहीं है. How can I manage without it for tomorrow's test. मैं कल उसके लिए उसके बिना भी किस टाइप से प्रिपेयर हो सकती हूँ. कलेक्ट अ ग्रुप ऑफ योर क्लासमेट्स एंड सॉल्व एन imaginary problem. Discuss and draw a reasoning tree like Pratibha's. The practice is sure to help you when you are faced with a real problem next time. Okay, then you can confidently say no problem. Means कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका सॉल्यूशन एग्जैक्टली होता ही है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो आपको अपने आप से पूछना है कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछने से आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रही है और किस क्वेश्चन के द्वारा आपकी प्रॉब्लम वैसी की वैसी बनी हुई है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ लर्न वन स्टोरी. मीन्स no two people think exactly alike. We all have different opinions. We will not always agree about everything. So how can we all get along in harmony? The only way is to allow every voice to be heard and every opinion to be respected. If we can all keep an open mind, we can build bridge across the difference that divide us. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, कोई दो पीपल की सोच कभी भी सेम नहीं हो सकती है. ओके, बट प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन हम ढूंढ सकते हैं. मीन्स हम उस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करना है, हमें हर एक की ओपिनियन को रिस्पेक्ट देना है. ओके, और उसकी बात को ओपन माइंड से सुनना है, क्या वो सही है और क्या वो गलत है. ओके, लेट्स थिंक. Now, gold in milk. Many centuries ago, traders from Persia, present day Iran, अभी उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ईरान, come to India and wanted to settle here. The traders were Persia and could not speak any Indian language, but using sign language and gesture, they went from kingdom to kingdom, asking for permission to settle down with their families. Many of the larger kingdom turned them away. One day they come to a smaller kingdom ruled by a wise and compassionate ruler. The Indian king found that the Parsi visitors were very polite and respectful, but his was not a very big kingdom. So how could he accept their request? There would not be enough land and cattle for them. The king wanted to convey his decision to them gently and politely. He sent for a silver pot full of milk. When it arrived, he held it out to the Parsi leader. His message was, I wish you well, but we have no space for more people. The Parsi leader understood. He smiled, reached into a pocket, in his robe and took out a gold coin gently without spoiling a single drop of milk. He slipped the coin into the brimming pot. And what do you think the Parsi chief meant? He was saying, we were here, we are here to give, not to take. We will enrich your kingdom. We come in peace. The Indian king was very impressed by the Parsi leader, politeness, and the way he had expressed his goodwill. He welcomed them to stay in his kingdom. That is how the Parsi first come to India, through peace, not war. Okay, understand? So इस टाइप से पारसी जो थे वो हमारे देश में आए थे. Why did the Indian king hesitate at first to allow the Parsi to settle in his kingdom? Because his kingdom is very small. ओके अंडरस्टैंड. सो आप ये क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के उसके आंसर देंगे. एंड इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी द पारसी लीडर हेल्प द इंडियन किंग टू सी द सिचुएशन डिफरेंटली. ही डिड नॉट क्रिटिसाइज और कंप्लेन. ही डिड नॉट शाउट और threaten anybody. He and his community would have been losers. If he had behaved badly, he took the path of courtesy and gentleness. The king too understood that the Parsis would be an asset to his kingdom because their attitude to peace was the same as his own. Together they built a bridge of understanding, a bridge that brought prosperity to all of them. They did not know each other's language, but they both spoke the language of peace. Okay, so what quality does a bridge builder needs? Means patience. Bridge are not built in a day. एक दिन में कभी भी पेशेंस बिल्ड नहीं होता है. ओके अंडरस्टैंड. एंड टॉलरेंस ब्रिज हैव टू बी बिल्ड फ्रॉम बोथ साइड. टॉलरेंस का ब्रिज भी दोनों साइड से ही हमेशा क्या होता है बेटा? बिल्ड होता है. कामनेस अर्थक्वेक ब्रेक ब्रिज. जो अगर हमने उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कामनेस नहीं लाई तो क्या हो जाएगा? अर्थक्वेक ब्रेक द ब्रिज. हार्ड वर्क ब्रिज डोंट बिल्ड देम सेल्फ. जो हार्ड वर्क है ब्रिज डोंट बिल्ड देम सेल्फ. Okay, willingness to cooperate. Both parties have to agree on the design. Love of peace. Otherwise, why bother about a bridge? Just keep shouting at each other from opposite shores. तो अगर आप ब्रिज नहीं बनाओगे तो दोनों साइड से क्या होगा? दोनों ही आप आपस में शाउटिंग करते रहेंगे और उसका कोई हल नहीं निकल पाएगा. ओके, let's see one more story. Dev and Michelle had a fight. Both were very angry and stopped talking to each other. One morning the teacher told the class, today we have an interesting project. I am going to divide the class into pairs and give you 1 hour to show how creative you are. She chose Dev and Michelle as a team for the project. They wanted to protest, but they know the teacher would scold them, so they keep quiet. What was the project? Each them was given a piece of cardboard, a few building blocks, and some glue and sticking tape. Each them was also given 2 small toy figure. If one hour they were to build a bridge that would be strong enough to support the 2 small toys. Okay, so guess what happened? At the end of that 1 hour, many bridges were built in that classroom, but the most important bridge was the one built by Dev and Michelle, because at the end of the hour they were smiling at each other and shaking hands. They had rebuilt their bridge of friendship. Why were Dev and Michelle smiling and shaking hand at the end of the project? What other way Can you think of the prepared relationship between them, between friends? Don't you think Dave and Michelle will always remember this project? When conflict come up, they will think back to the bridge they built together. They have learned an important lesson for life. Means if it is everybody's relationship to avoid or settle conflict and to build bridge of understanding. Take the first step, you will find the other will join in. Okay, understand? So the only alternative to coexistence is co-destruction. Be a bridge engineer, and we have list 5 steps for building a bridge of trust, friendship. What are the materials you will need to each step? We have started you on the way. See, मेजर द गैप को मेजर करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? ड्रॉ अप द प्लान, ले द फाउंडेशन, स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम बोथ साइड एंड स्ट्रेटन द स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो आपको कंप्लीट करना है ये. एंड रीड दिस शॉर्ट पोएम एंड राइट योर थॉट अबाउट इट इन द स्पेस बिलो. आपको यहाँ पर ये रीड करना है और इसके बारे में आपकी क्या थॉट है उसको लिखना है. आई स्टूड हियर एंड यू स्टूड देयर, बिटवीन अस रेन द स्ट्रीम, वी टर्न अवे एंड नेवर मीट, आई विल नेवर स्टॉप रिग्रेटिंग येट that we did not build a bridge, that we feared to dream a dream. Okay, understand? So complete these questions. Okay, have a good day.